I'm a little sick, so while I have the energy to stand up, let's make a cocktail called the Black Hole Benny. Oh wait, Quickie. Forgot what fucking video I was making. Today's cocktail and quickly is called the Black Hole Benny. This is inspired by the song of the same name by the band Stop.Drop.Rewind, which is currently playing in my ear. I have fallen in love with their newest album, and I decided to make a cocktail in honor of the alien that ends the human race in the same song, the song of the same name, Black Hole Benny. Let's talk about ingredients. To make this cocktail, you will need silver rum, gin, or tequila. They all work equally as well. Melon liqueur, green apple liqueur, coconut syrup, lime juice, and for garnish, a little wheel of lime, some honeydew melon, and cherries. We're gonna make a little saucer with Black Hole Benny in it. Let's go ahead and shake it up. We will start with half of an ounce of coconut syrup. We'll come behind that with half an ounce of green melon liqueur, like Midori. After that, we'll do half an ounce of sour apple schnapps. Next up, we'll do 1 full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And finally, 2 ounces of whatever spirit you chose to use. I'm going with silver rum. Go ahead and grab some ice. We will cap that up, tap that down, give it a shake for 10 to 12 seconds to chill, and combine. For serving, I'm going to grab a chilled Collins glass out of my freezer, and we're going to dirty dump the contents of our shaker into that. Do that, we'll top it up with ice. And now we will move on to garnishing. Grab a cocktail pick and start by fishing a cherry out as a base to build off of. Then take your lime wheel and put that up next to it. Finally, to secure that in place, take a sizable piece of honeydew melon, a reasonably sized piece, and pin it all together like so. Then put that on the edge of your drink like that. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Black Hole Benny. Cheers. I'm gonna grab a straw to give this a taste. I did make this green because Benny's an alien. The lyrics would indicate he's a gray, but hey, who's paying that much of attention? The song's about the end of the world. Cheers! Spring-like and summer-like, but like tropical in different ways. It's really just like a very, like, sharply bitter, like, I don't know, it's good. I'm sick, leave me alone. I don't know why I tried to describe it. Just make one, they're really good. And go listen to Stop, Drop, Rewind. Fuck you, I'm going back to bed.